Go.
Already get video
Yeah,
tapes?
say hello to them.
Hello, Jillian and
Something.
hello.
Be nice to them.
I am. I forgot her name. I'm sorry.
Be nice, say hello to them.
I wouldn't forget your name if I actually knew you. But hello, Jillian and Sophie.
Say hello to my friends.
Hi, Jillian and Sophie.
Is her name what, Julia?
Talk to them.
What do you want to know? I'm from America.
Is her name what?
I think your friend Smudge is pretty cool, but I now gave her the nickname of Tino. I hope you can appreciate that.
Tell them how good I am.
She's pretty good.
At dancing.
She's pretty good.
Tell me how good I am, Francesca.
She's amazing.
Say hello to them.
Hi, what is it?
Jillian.
Jillian and Soph.
Say hello to them.
Hi. Hi.
Say hello to them.
Hi.
Talk to them.
I don't know what to say. They probably won't understand.
Say hello to them. Ashley, say hello to them. She's risen from the dead. Say hello.
Hi.